Hey everyone, it's Young Stock Wolf. Wanted to do a review on an app that I know a lot of people have been talking about lately as an alternative to Robinhood. This one being the Public Stock app. So with everything going on last week with Robinhood, I know a lot of people were looking to switch over, and I've looked into different apps like Webull, SoFi, Public Stock app being one, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Schwab. And I know a lot of people were looking for a platform that was similar to Robinhood, but would allow them to leave the Robinhood platform. So for this review, I wanted to talk about Public, and really what Public is looking to do is combine the stock market and investing with social media. So as you can see here, we can see my portfolio. It says that I was down 1.65% yesterday. My portfolio has lost $9.40, and the total account value is $561.59. So we can see just from top to bottom, we can see my portfolio. So I'm in IPOE, which for anyone who knows that is the blank check company, the SPAC that is merging with SoFi. Airbnb, Amazon, Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft. And then as we continue to scroll to the right, you can start to see my watch list. So Boeing, Best Buy, Chipotle, and really can go through the entire list from there. But as you continue to scroll down, this is where you start to see the social media aspect of the app. So here you can see Kevin Matthews II at Building Bread is his username on Public. Just giving a quick, something like you would see on Twitter, just a quick status update, providing some insight. Definitely allows for the app to have a very community-like feel. So as you continue to scroll down, you can see different updates. Again, like kind of what you would see on Twitter. And it does show the top movers as well. So just something that a lot of other brokerage accounts or brokerage apps will call out, or just the top movers for the day. But if we go here to this search, this Explore tab, this is where it gets pretty cool. So you're able to see featured profiles within the app. So they are getting a lot of new investors and a lot of new celebrities that are joining the app. And what's really cool is if we click on DJ Augustin, for example, so he is an NBA basketball player, philanthropist, and an investor. If we click on his profile, it does give us just some background on him, a little bit of a bio, his reasons for joining the app. But then if you click on view at DJ Augustin 14's profile or portfolio, this is where we can actually see what he is invested in through the Public app. So it looks like he has some shares in Apple, AMC, Amazon. And then if we continue to scroll, we can actually see his watch list as well. So this is definitely pretty cool. It just gives you insight into what other people are investing in. Kind of allows you to kind of see your portfolio versus someone else's, and maybe just gives you the opportunity to take that leap of faith on a company that maybe beforehand you wouldn't. And then we can also see what themes these celebrities or these influencers are following. So are you not entertained? This one is entertainment companies that are fighting for your attention. So if we click on this, it looks like this theme is comprised of 28 stocks and 4 ETFs. So definitely pretty cool. There are a bunch of different themes within the app as well. So if we go back to this Explore tab, we do have the Public Top 20. So this is going to be the most popular investments in the Public community. The SPAC Pack, Home and Garden, Stay at Home, so a selection of socially distanced stocks. So if we click on this one, for example, it's hard to see like the Amazons, Chewy, Clorox. So there's really a bunch on here. Growing diversity, creative economy, women in charge, American made. Really a whole bunch of different themes that you could look into, really just to help you with your investing and really allow your investing to be tailored to your beliefs and really what you believe in. And then if we continue going along, we just have this earn free stock tab. I will post a link below if you guys want a link to a free stock slice if you make an account on the app. And if we scroll all the way over here to the right, this is where you can actually see your portfolio. So it does look similar to what you would see on Robinhood. We can see the 1-day chart. I've only had the app for a few days, made the switch over from Robinhood. And very similarly, you can see the five-day chart all the way up to the 1 year. And if we scroll down, we can see the amount of money that I have invested in stocks, my current cash balance, and my buying power. And then here we can see my portfolio. So again, currently just have the 6 stocks that I mentioned. If we click on Amazon, for example, this is where you can start to dive into some of the stats. So I have $131.40 currently in Amazon, which equals 0.0392 of a share, average price, all-time gain. And then this is pretty cool. It shows you what percentage Amazon makes up of your total portfolio. And the cool thing about Public is it does allow you to invest in fractional shares. So I know that's something that a lot of, especially new investors, are looking for if you can't afford, the over $3,000 price tag on one share of Amazon. So was able to buy fractional shares, and it does fill instantly. So, if it's 10 a.m., you want to buy, $20 worth of Amazon, that order will fill instantaneously. So I know with a lot of other apps, I know SoFi's one, Stash, M1 Finance, a lot of these other apps that have the fractional shares, they typically tend to fill during certain trading windows, but where Public is similar to Robinhood is it will fill in real time. So you can invest any dollar amount that you would like in any company or any stock or ETF that's on the app. So as you continue to scroll down, you just see different, different cool little features or stats. So you get to see a little bit about the company. This part's pretty cool. Community, people you follow who own or watch this stock. Some news articles similar to what you would see on Robinhood. You can see what companies they also own. So this is kind of a cool call out. Gives you that holistic view of a company. So for Amazon, we can see Amazon Web Services. We can see Twitch, Audible. So definitely cool call out. See what themes that stock falls under. And then here, this tab is called What Wall Street Thinks. So it's a 1.2 strong buy. And then it gives you some price targets, which, again, just kind of a cool call out. You can set reminders for events. So if you want to set a reminder for the next Amazon earnings call, you can set a reminder and Public will send you a notification. Continue to scroll down, you can see some more stats. So the market cap, volume, the dividend rate, which Amazon does not pay a dividend. But if you click on here, it actually gives you a little bit of insight onto what these are. So this is definitely cool for new investors. It says market cap is the market value of a publicly traded company's outstanding shares. Market capitalization is equal to the share price multiplied by the number of shares outstanding. Volume, PE ratio, dividend rate, dividend yield. So it definitely helps that Public is very user friendly. It feels like a community, and it's also helping people learn. So if you were a new investor and you're scrolling through and you're not sure what a dividend rate is, it's really cool to be able to pop in there and just get some more insight on that. And then we do have an activity section. So this is just where you can see other users on the app that are investing in companies. And it's pretty cool. You can react to it. Yeah, you can post a comment. So it definitely allows you just to interact with other users to see what they're investing in. All right. And then again, just going back up here, definitely just looking at the feel and the use of the app, definitely very user friendly, kind of easy to bounce between different tabs, allows you to just, get educated on different stocks or what other people are doing, but then still just being able to see your portfolio and your watch list as well. So you are able to post updates. So if you're someone who would want to be very active on the app with posting updates and different things like that, you can do that as well. And all of those posts will be public. So definitely, again, just a pretty cool feature. And if we go up here to view portfolio or view profile on the top left, you can actually see my profile. This would be my public profile. So as of right now, I don't have any followers. I'm following 17 people on the app. Now, if you guys want to follow me, it's at Young Stock Wolf. And you can just put a little bio here. So I just put buy and hold, trust the process. And that really just aligns with my long-term investing sort of vision. So really, for the most part, the stocks that I'm buying are really just buying and planning to hold those for a long time.